All right, let's take a look. Market mind. So if we go to configure, basically it's a reasoning exposure engine on a curated company dependency graph, which you can see in the text. So I give it an identity. I explain a bit what he will find in the graph. I tell it what it can do. Resolve plain language, rank the winners and losers of an event across the graph, explain why one company is exposed, and show how widely an event reaches by sector, and prove it against real market data. That's a backtest, misses included, and list the standing sanctions controls and constraints of a company, and answer open-ended counting aggregation questions. This is the last resort. This is the last resort. Basically, there's some more rules: resolve the event, cascade, explain, classify. This is a bit how I streamline it to respond to news question, and drill down and how I want it to format the response. And this is the blast radius card. Basically, I put some rules, but then basically what I have is a natural language to cipher, find event, which is fairly simple. I have the impact cascade. That's, I think, the most complex one, which I get tradable only and news ID. Well, it's quite long. And then company dependency map. Not that far. Sector exposure, validate history, active conditions, and market QA. Cancel. I did not modify anything. I select it. And then we can add things like, what did the US chip export controls do in the market? It takes its time. It does the reasoning, applies find event, gets the output, then reasons, and then decides to find the impact cascade and gets it. And then does another reasoning, and it can respond to us. Less radius, 25 companies in range, substitution, severe, at hop 0. All right. Let's follow up. Did that actually happen? And of course I did. Yes, market reacted, and this was a bit the reaction and what happened at the end. We can even follow up. Why is NVIDIA exposed? And it will take some information about NVIDIA. So it gives here the breakdown. Hey, NVIDIA relies on several key suppliers, which TSMC, Micron Technology, Samsung, Advantage, Synopsys, Cadence, and customers of NVIDIA as well, and competitors. All right. I think one more. How broadly does the event reach by sector? So let's see how the sector behaved. Still in context. And there we go. Semiconductors was the heaviest affected one. And last but not least, what rules currently constrain SMC? Sorry, SMIC. US Bureau of Industry and Security, Advanced Computing and Semiconductor Export Controls on China. Because, yep, this is still in place. Has not been raised that I know so far. At least that's what I told the database. All right, that's it. I think it's a cool agent. I hope you find it interesting.